In this video, I will show you how to get a private server in Roblox Rivals. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the search box at the top, and in the search box just go ahead and type Rivals, and then in these suggestions that come up, click onto Rivals in Experiences. Next, what you need to do, you're going to get some results come through. You want to click onto Rivals, which is going to be the official Rivals experience. It's going to be the top first result that comes through. Once you're on the game page, all you need to do is come underneath a bit, and you can see we got a servers tab here. Give that a click, and that's going to bring up the servers. Now you're going to see in here there's going to be a button to create a private server. The cost to do this is absolutely free. You don't need to spend any Robux. So just click onto create private server. Then all you need to do is give your server a name on this window that pops up. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor server. And once you've done that, just click the buy now button. So as you can see, we've now got a confirmation saying you have successfully bought the Rivals private server from Nosny Games for free. So at this point, just if you want to, you can click onto customize, and we can go ahead and customize the server. Of course, make sure that allow joining is turned on, because disabling this does make the private server inaccessible for you and other users. So make sure that is turned on and you are good to go. What you can then do is come down, click here to generate a private server link, and then what you can do is go ahead and click the button here to copy that server link and send it to your friends on Roblox for them to join your private server on Roblox Rivals. So that is how to get a private server in Roblox Rivals. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.